What's up, family? Welcome back to yet a valuable video. So to every beginner watching this video, this strategy is definitely for you. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, this is not clickbait. So this strategy, what it's going to do, just to explain it a bit, if you're not confident with executing trades on a supply or demand zone, definitely this trade or this method is going to help you overcome that hurdle of fear and lack of confidence. Not knowing which supply or demand the market is going to react off or hold to kind of sustain the trade or the prediction that you want. Definitely this strategy that I'm about to show you right now is going to help you and change your life. This is not cap. It's definitely going to change your life. So I want to jump onto the screen right now. I'm going to lay down the foundation for you. Then of course we're going into the chart example. Hopefully you can back test it, forward test it, so that it can put your confidence up on high. Okay, family, so we actually on our chart right now. I have two illustrations right in front of me, and I'm just going to make an example quickly from this, then we can move on to chart work. Remember, this does not take off the work. You still need to gain confidence in exactly what I'm showing you, but it's going to make it way easier because there's something that's going to give you the trust and the catalyst, the confluence to trust that demand level. Okay, so this black line here that I just draw represents the 50 EMA. Okay, so if you go to your chart, either it being on trading view or being on MetaTrader, that's still fine. Okay, on trading view I just have to search and say moving average. Okay, moving average, and then when I take it out for me, EMA over here. Okay, once I've done that, you basically go to it and just change the settings to 50. So for example, here we have 50, and that's it. You just need to change the settings to 50, and it's gonna appear exactly as that I'm gonna be showing you on my chart. So basically the concept here that I want to show you is that, let's say the market is imprinted on a demand level, okay, or a supply level in that case, and you want to observe the trend that you're trading in. Let's say you already have a clue about smart money, supply and demand trading. If you do not have, we have done a full free class, okay, a full free beginners class for everybody that is new to a smart money concept. It's right here on YouTube. You can just go on our playlist. You're gonna see various classes that are gonna be free for you to watch and take down. Once you've done that, you can probably come back to this video to kind of watch this. If you already have an idea, let's continue watching. Okay, so basically, as I said, it's that last higher low, last lower high that the market imprints on and it kind of buys. Many of us are used to getting that sniper entry right here, but so many of you, I know you're struggling with confidence to trust that the market will hold and not stop you out. You have tried so many times, but it just ends up stopping you out. So the best way is to imprint a 50 EMA, and of course once a candlestick imprints and the market is sort of being supported by this EMA right here, then that's when you know that, okay, the market is being supported by the EMA because it's responding to the demand level that I've just marked it. Then that's why you plot your risk to reward ratio. I would advise that you put your take profit on the last on the higher high, or on the next higher high you put your stop loss below the demand level. Okay, and of course this also applies with a bearish market. The market is bearish, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, and so many of us, as I said, we're used to getting that sniper entry. But let's say now you want the market to imprint a candlestick for you, and of course the 50 EMA presses on it or resist it. Therefore you'll be knowing and for sure assured that the market is responding to the supply that you have marked. And then with that you can get to plot. Again, the same rules apply. The next lower low, and of course your stop loss below the lower high, okay, or below that supply. Does it make sense? Now we're gonna move on to the next thing right here, as we've already cleared up the concepts. And as you can see, my chart is right there. I took this trade, this long sell here that you can see. This was so many pips on pound. I would say this strategy, please try it out on currencies, as they do have nice price fluctuations, especially for beginners, right? And I also want you to use it on the M5 time frame. As I've said it, please do not ask it again. I've said it, don't jump steps, guys. So many people jump and they ask questions in the comment section, but because they do not watch the whole video, okay? Please, guys, do watch the whole video. Do not jump anything to think you already understand something. You're gonna lack. Okay, so your M5 is the best time frame to actually spot the EMA. Okay, in terms of the EMA, you can trade any time frame with your supply. For example, as I said, we did have this trade that I actually sent this setup within our mentorship Discord group. So we send trade setups, we have live trading sessions there. And of course, if you are a beginner or you're a trader and you feel like you need a mentor in your life to hold your hand, I'm definitely available. Why am I telling you this? We're having a promotion, what we call an end year promotion, that gives you guys 35% off our advanced trading costs. So if you definitely want to take it the next notch from what you're getting from our free YouTube content, definitely the paid content, it's on another crazy level. So lifetime access with that only one-time fee. So definitely study the poster that I just put right now, and you can go ahead and enroll. Those who do not have money, do not worry, this is not the end of the world. The free content is still gonna help you guys to make money within the Forex markets. Okay, let's move on to exactly what I was saying here. So it hit this supply, and we actually had, mitigated, or rather refined that the market was going to hit a supply within this daily supply. As soon as it started turning around on this fair value gap, I was not sure if I should take it or just wait for it to come back to that, right? So the best way I did this, as soon as it just sold like this with this engulfing candle, I went all the way to the 5 minutes to check this 50 EMA, and guess what it did? The market, it had imprinted right here, okay, had imprinted, and as soon as the market imprinted and crossed this EMA, that shows that it was actually now pressing on it. And exactly what I did, I put my stop loss and take profit, as you can see, and that's exactly how I ended up getting this beautiful trade. I probably now lock profit on this trade, but it's just absolutely beautiful. Even right here when it pulled back, right, even right here when it pulled back, there was a supply over here. Okay, let's just take that supply over there. Okay, so let's say you're still not sure about which supply to take your nearest, wherever the market reacts. Put your EMA, as you can see. I'm just going to remove that. Put your 50 EMA. As soon as the market touches, reacts over there, and the market now, it's pressing, it's being pressed by that 50 EMA, then you can now plot and say, I'm actually entering this trade. Okay, these are the conditions of this trade, trade setup, and of course you can take at the next lower low. That is how you could have entered this trade. Look at this demand level right here, okay, or this demand zone. The market imprinted a demand zone. Let's say I was not sure if it was gonna go all the way down here. I just marked that demand area. As the market reacts on it and it shows that it's being supported by this 50 EMA, you can now plot your take profit. Again, you can either take it at the next high, or you can even, as you practice this, you can also put your own spice to it again. Okay, so this goes on and on and on in terms of trading supply and demand. They're countless examples, but I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. Okay, so make sure you can go ahead and practice this by your own. You can only get better by practicing. Watching gives you knowledge, but when you practice, it turns this knowledge into skill. So make sure you do that for yourself. Do comment down below on how this strategy has actually helped you or changed your life. I know it and I believe it. You didn't just click on this video by coincidence, but it is by divine appointment to now change your financial situation. Thank you so much. My name is Emmanuel Mukhale, the CEO of Prophetic Forex, and I'm signing out.